And who said that you could take me away? I stumble over all I long to say to you. You make me so nervous. Yes, you make me so nervous. Yes, it's true. Yeah, you make me so nervous. Yes, it's true. Tongue tied and twisted. That's what you do. My hands shaking. Come a little closer, make me go wild. I can never say all the things you make me do. I catch your gaze. I feel weak in my knees. I try and look away, but I feel you deep inside of me.
హలో అందరికీ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ అమ్మాయి అబ్బాయ్. ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్ మన ఎవ్రీడే మేకప్ రొటీన్ స్లాష్ నో ఫౌండేషన్ మేకప్ రొటీన్ అనమాట. అండ్ నేను చాలా చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్ బికాజ్ చాలా బాగా ఇష్టం మేకప్ సిన్స్ లాంగ్ టైమ్. అండ్ జైసే అందరికీ యూ ఆల్ నో ఐఎమ్ డాన్సర్ అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ బీన్ ఇన్ టు ఆర్ట్ సెక్టర్ త్రూ అవుట్ మై లైఫ్ ఆల్ దిస్ ఇయర్స్. సో ఇది more reason for me to love makeup. So I thought let us record this video and share it with you guys how I do my everyday makeup routine. Before makeup starts, chala important is to prep up your skin. So before starting my makeup, nenu going to prep my skin. First step is to cleanse my face, and for that I'm using this Glow Tonic Pixie toner, cotton pads, few drops, and then cleanse your face.
Can't hide from me.
I have already cleansed my face with a face wash, and next I'm using this toner by Pixie Beauty. Never forget the neck, like I always say. And it's done. Next, going to apply moisturizer. So for the moisturizer, I'm going to use this minimalist moisturizer. So, and put dots all over your face.
If you want it, babe, you better tell me so.
Nicely
You know
blended.
I won't give it up for it.
So e makeup it takes me max 7 to 8 minutes. It is a very easy makeup. At the same time, it is going to give you that sharp and neat look. So the makeup you can wear it to meet your friends, college, lunch, or wherever you want to do it, because it is a very doable makeup and it takes very less amount of time, less amount of efforts, and it is very easy. And it is also it can be considered as a beginner's makeup. So definitely try. So moisturizer done. Let's go to the next step. Okay na? తదుపరి దశ ఉంటుంది సన్ స్క్రీన్. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. So I'll be using minimalist, same company as of the moisturizer. So this is it has a SPF 50. It has high protection, broad spectrum, and water and sweat resistant. Very nice sunscreen. Must try. Okay.
I know you don't wanna fall in love. I keep it airtight.
Nicely
You know I don't wanna go.
blended all over your
play both
face,
sides.
neck also.
I would
Okay.
sell my soul. If you want it, baby, tell me that
routine done. ఇప్పుడు నేను చేస్తాను the makeup, the actual thing. So for my makeup, like I said, no foundation. Everyday basis, నేను doesn't use foundation anamata. So what I use is this, and this is like बहुत साल हो गए हैं, many years. I have been using this Lakme 925 CC cream. So it is a tinted moisturizer which also has SPF 30. So that's a double bonus. Okay, so I use this on a daily basis. Idi, you don't need to take lot of product, this much of product, as you can see. Okay, and what I do is ऐसे mix up करके, just like you apply a moisturizer, you're going to tap it on your face, also on your neck, and gently blend it well. This CC cream gives a very nice subtle coverage, and it will not make your makeup look heavy, because on a daily basis we cannot use a lot of heavy foundation and heavy things on our face. So this is very light on the face, at the same time gives a bouncy coverage, chala bouncy coverage, gives you that natural finish. జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి దరఖాస్తు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు, while applying your whatever you want to apply, make sure it doesn't get into your eyes. Otherwise చాలా burn, and water constant drop anamata. So my CC cream application is done, and as you can see, there is a lot of difference already on the skin, but at the same time it doesn't give you that heavy look. So idi CC cream chala light. You can use any kind of CC cream, a lot of options in the market anamata. So pick your right color, that is very important. Okay, because idi CC creams also come in different shades, so it is chala important to pick the right color combination according to your skin. Okay. Oh, and also my shade, the shade that I use for my skin is in 03 bronze. Okay, tadupari dasa untundi is to set my face with this compact. This is by Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330. Okay, so gently I sweat a lot on my T-zone, so I make sure to set it properly so there is less sweat. So my base is ready using a tinted moisturizer and a compact powder. Chala simple, 2 steps only. Okay, ఇప్పుడు నేను చేస్తాను my brows. For brows నేను going to use Wet n Wild brow kit. It is quite dirty, lot of dust and lot of powder, but never mind. This is in the shade E963 Ash Brown. Okay, so this is how it looks. I mix these two shades, light brown and the dark brown. Brows, chala important. Brows, out of all the makeup, it changes your face. Game changer anamata. See the difference? This and this, kada? Lot of difference. See, brows are done.
Can hide from me, oh you like.
Tadupari Kallu. Next, I will do my eyes. So for that, I am going to use Lakme Iconic in the shade brown. It is in the shade classic brown. Okay, I feel during makeup tutorial only हम लोग इतना पढ़ते हैं मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर क्या क्या रहता है. Otherwise on a daily basis we don't even read. It's just one time when we purchase and then it's done. So it is a task to find out the shade on the products, the numbers, and from where it is. Tadupari Kallu. Next, eyes. So idi brown, and I'm just going to roughly put it on my upper eyelid, lash line, roughly. And next, no brush required. Take your index finger and softly just blend it so that there is no rough lines, there is no sharp edges, and it's done. Next, ippudu chestanu my mascaras. For that, I'm going to use L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes Extra Black. See the difference? I love makeup. I love makeup. Nenu love makeup. నేను లవ్ మేకప్లో నేను చాలా ఇష్టం మస్కారా, అండ్ ఐ లవ్ మస్కారాస్ లైక్ మోర్ దెన్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ మేకప్. అండ్ సమ్టైమ్స్ నేను డూ నథింగ్ ఆన్ మై ఫేస్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద స్కిన్ కేర్. ఐ జస్ట్ పుట్ మస్కారా, దట్స్ ఇట్, ఇట్స్ డన్. Eyes opens up, and that's the highlight of the face according to me anmata. So nenu చాలా ishtam mascaras in makeup. Next eyes. So both eyes mascaras are done. Upper lash, now we will put in the lower lash and come back. Okay. Blush పట్టించే ముందు నేను గోయింగ్ టు సెట్ మై ఫేస్ విత్ లూజ్ పౌడర్. మన యూజ్ దిస్ Maybelline Fit Me లూజ్ ఫినిషింగ్ పౌడర్ ఇన్ ద షేడ్ 25. So I'm going to use this, taking this, gently put it under the eyes. Idi I use it mainly on my T-zone because nenu chala sweat area on this region mainly. Okay, so just to set everything in, I use this around my nose, under my eyes, little bit on the forehead. Let it rest for some seconds. Okay, and then we will dust it off. Pudu chestanu, dust off the excess powder. It's done. Face is ready. Next, before applying blush, one more thing, I'm going to set my brows with this. It's a mascara, but it is in the shade brown black. So I'm going to set it. Set my brows a little. And it's done. Blush kosam, I'm going to use this water base tint. This is by Face Shop. So you got to blush properly. So be generous while applying the blush and use your fingers again to blend. Face is done. Face ready. Ainda. I am going to use the same tint a little bit on my lips. Then to finish it off, I am going to use this lip gloss by Clinique. It's in the shade A53. ఇది లిప్ కలర్ కొంచెం బ్రైట్ ఐ ఫీల్ కాబట్టి నేను మడతాను టు దిస్. ఐ విల్ అప్లై దిస్ ఆన్ టాప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ మూస్ by Lakme Absolute. It is in the shade 302. Much better. సో మన మేకప్ అయిపోయింది. ఇది 7 to 8 స్టెప్స్ మాత్రమే ఓన్లీ. అండ్ ఇంత అసలు చాలా ఈజీ మేకప్ రొటీన్ అనమాట దట్ ఐ ఫాలో on a day-to-day basis. And this, as you all saw, it has no foundation. It is a very simple, minimal, day-to-day, everyday look that I do. And most of the time I don't use a black kajal or eye pencil. I prefer this brown eye pencil because it gives you that natural feel. At the same time, it gives you that like, you know, eyes look bright and it looks opened up. So that is it. That is how I do my everyday makeup. Not a no makeup look, a makeup look, but in a very simple manner anamata. Okay na? Manchi vasana maripovaddu. I am using this body mist, so chala important to smell good also. And it's done.
I wish I had a girl like you, and I wish you could be real, but you're not really here. And I don't wanna wake up without you, but tonight is gonna have to do if I'm gonna get with a girl like you. I fade away, every day you're not with me. Maybe now that you've showed me what love could be like.
నాకు మేకప్ చాలా చాలా ఇష్టం. అండ్ మీరందరూ ఆశిస్తున్నాను ఎంజాయ్డ్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ హోల్ వీడియో. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్ వాజ్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ యూ, స్పెషలీ ఫర్ బిగినర్స్ అనమాట. ఇట్ ఈస్ చాలా చాలా సింపుల్, ఈజీ టు డూ మేకప్ ఆన్ అ డే టు డే బేసిస్, ఫర్ కాలేజ్, ఫర్ ఆఫీస్, ఫర్ lunch, for wherever you feel like. So if you like this video, give it a like, okay, and share and subscribe. Nenu Ammai Abbai Style like cheyandi, share cheyandi, subscribe cheyandi, పక్కనకు బెల్ ఉంటుంది, క్లిక్ చేస్తే చాలా నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తాయి. బాబాయ్ అందరికీ. మేకప్ की कवाली సేన నోట్ చేసుకోండి. మేకప్ की कवाली సేన, అరే మేకప్ की कवाली సేన పదార్థాలు నోట్ చేసుకోండి. కరెక్ట్. మేకప్ की कवाली సేన పదార్థాలు నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ నోట్ రైట్ నౌ. నోట్.
వినాయకుడు షాపింగ్ కి బయలుదేరాము. గణేష్ చతుర్థి కదా, వినాయకుడిలో
ఏం చేస్తున్నా?
పండగకి